guys? Chris here from MCA Garage, and I'm in my grandma's garage right now. How ironic. But if you guys didn't see those two videos, I hope the people that just got in a car accident, I hope they're safe. But what we're gonna be doing right now, we're gonna be unboxing this little, not a little, but we're gonna unbox this jack that I just picked up from Harbor Freight. Shout out to Harbor Freight for cheap stuff. So I got my razor blade. Just gonna Alright, now step in. Alright, now I'm gonna have to lay this down. Boom, so I got the 3-ton low pro. You know, cause I got the low profile because I know I'm gonna be having this jack for a long time. It's gonna be my own jack, so my cars will be low, so that will be a key tool to have. A jack that'll go low enough, and this probably is too high too. But look at that. The profile. Is that my dog? Tigger. Yeah, it is. Alright. But so I'm just gonna put this together. And you know, you guys are probably like, oh, you already have a jack, you know, it's that orange one. Well, the orange one, that one's not mine, it's my grandpa's, and you know, I don't really like putting stuff back, so he gets mad when I don't. So I went out and bought my own. And yes, I did buy this. It was not sponsored by Mommy and Daddy. There it is. Got this 3-ton low pro. That Pittsburgh heavy duty. This thing's mad heavy, bro. That means it's quality. You know, this isn't no eBay stuff. It's Harbor Freight, so it's the better version of eBay. So I just gotta clean up my mess and go put this jack to work. I don't know if we're gonna be doing like putting it back to work like today, because me and Adrian were going to paint the suspension on my El Camino, but he has a Christmas party to go to, and he's leaving at 5:30. It's like 4 something, so you know, maybe tomorrow. He's bagging DJ Crime's car tomorrow, him and his dad. So I don't know about tomorrow. So maybe tomorrow, if he's done in time. Maybe tomorrow. Oops. So yeah, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. So I guess you guys will just see in this video, you know, what we end up doing. So I just wanted to include you guys on some information. I no longer live in my grandma's house. I live with my mom again now. So you guys are probably gonna see less videos of the Bond Mower and more videos of the El Camino. Maybe, I don't know. But for now, let's go check out how the 2 projects are going on. Here. So we got my dogs. And we got the Bond Mower and the quad. The quad, if you guys did not know, I'm selling $900. Lowest I'll go 700. Let me know. And that's what she looks like. I still gotta finish. Where's that finger? That I gotta finish that. Wheels. Wheels are not going to be cheap. Oh, it looks like it rained. I'm pissed. Well, I don't have a tarp, so gotta do something with that piece. But yeah, so wheels, $40 each, and we're gonna be going 15, 6, 6, all 4 on all 4, because the stock big ones has like a rake. So because we lowered the front, so it like, instead of the lawnmower being like this, it's like that. So we're gonna get small tires all around, and yeah, and they're $40 each. So I think me and Adrian are probably just gonna split the difference. I'll pay $40 for one, he pays $40 for the other, and I'm gonna reupholster the seat. That'll be done the steering column, the steering shaft, I gotta get a new one because on, as you can see right there, there's a hole right here, right there, and that's where the steering shaft goes. But the steering shaft is broken. Where are you going? All right, the steering shaft, it's not broken, it's stripped. So when you try to turn to the right, it won't turn at all. But when you turn to the left, it'll turn. So it's like, you know, it's either I hack something back together and only do left burnies, or like left donuts, or I don't know, just only turn to the left. So basically, that's what I used to use. That's over 40 years old. Then I got this new quality, low profile Pittsburgh, which is 0 years old. So yeah, so that's basically what it's gonna look like. You know, as you can see, it's kind of a little bit lower in the front, but it's not that bad. But there's that drift car camera that me and Adrian did. Thing's mint, dude, literally. So yeah, I mean, still needs an alignment, but I think it'll be mint. Well, me and Adrian are either gonna have to roll the balls out of the fenders, or I don't know, figure something out, because the fenders don't fit because we're too low. And I want to somehow close off this gap. Not completely sure how I'm gonna do that, because I can't really body drop it without doing a bunch of fab work, and I don't have a welder, so yeah, that might be an issue. But I did get the push start, so I should be mint on that. But the push start is like really small. It's like you have to like push it in with your pinky. So I think I'm gonna just order another one, and yeah, and probably just put like a bigger bat on the switch. And if you guys don't know what a bat is, it's kind of those things. Or I'll insert a picture. And so that's what that's Adrian's truck. So those things that go over the switch, that's called a bat. So that's what he has on there. What up, guys? It's the next day, and working on the El Camino. So what we're doing is plugging everything back in, and one of them is under the car, so I am going to jack it up, or actually already did jack it up. I'm going to jack it up, look under there, see where the plug is, plug it in, and then maybe try to start it. I don't know. We still gotta plug in a couple more plugs. So yeah, I got it jacked up. I'm going to take the wheel off now. I do have a jack under there and a jack stand. I'm gonna take the wheel off, and look at those A-arms. But yeah, so do that. I'll come back at you guys when I get the wheel off. They're being really stubborn, and I don't have anyone to hold the brake, so that's what I'm doing. So I got some of this stuff, and I got 2 of them loose already, but I'm still gonna spray all of them. And you know, I'm mad JDM, so 5 looks swapped. And I'm just gonna let those soak. So what we're gonna be doing today, Adrian might come over, but even if he doesn't come over, I'm still gonna paint suspension right there, the inner wheel well, and that part of the frame right there. And let's see that plug. See that yellow plug right there? That plugs into something. Can't really get to it. That one right there, that plugs into something under here, but I can't really see because the wheel's in the way. Or actually, I can't really get in there because the wheel is in the way. Got the wheel off, but I do have PE blaster all over the wheel. There it is. So I'm gonna clean that off. Using some of this spick and span. Lug nuts. Now, so I still gotta sweep all this stuff up. I cleaned the garage yesterday and the back of the El Camino. I still got a lot of stuff in here, but there's isn't really There's not a lot of space to put stuff. So I kind of just, organized everything. Just stacked everything on top of each other and like threw a bunch of stuff up there in the rafters or whatever they're called. Alright, so now that this is off, look at those brakes. Brakes are made. Doesn't look like we need new rotors. But, so now I can get in here and just look to see where that plug went. Look at that mint oil filter. Thing's sick. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I find the plug. So, since we're doing this anyways, I'm just gonna take the wheel well, like the liner. I'm just gonna take that out right now. And so, bought this yesterday, Harbor Freight, 13 bucks, dude. So you need some halfway decent tools. Go grab you some at Harbor Freight, dude. So these bolts look like halves, which would be the pink one. Shit, there it goes. And incorrect. Alright, so must be this one. What size is that? 9/16. Yep. Alright. That one fits, so I'm gonna take these out. So I just found out that when you want to take only that out, it takes out the whole wheel well, like this whole thing right here. So I'm just gonna paint it like while it's still in there, because I was just gonna paint it outside the car, but I really don't feel like taking all the AC stuff out and washer fluid. And this is the horn. This is for the horn. I don't know. It's just a bunch of stuff. And then if I want to do on this side, it's a lot more stuff. Got more AC stuff. Got coolant overflow. Got all the sensor and whatever. So yeah. So I'm just gonna grab one of these, brand new. Pop the cap. Yeah, I'm not popping the cap with one hand. Boom. Popping the cap. And just get the spring. All this. But first I'm gonna clean it. And another thing is, all these are metric bolts. So there's 2 14s and the rest are 13s and then 10s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 10s and 4 10s, 3 13s, and 2 14s. So I'm gonna take one of these brushes, some of this stuff, and go to town on cleaning. And that's what I was using for light my old phone until it died. So I got a ricer here, and we got that nice fresh painted stuff. We're taking off the arms right now, and he's taking off the sway bar link. Mad race car. And I just got the 2 bolts that are for the under whatever it was called. That bolt right there and that one right there. So all I gotta do is just hit those out, and the lower arm should be out. Never mind, no, it shouldn't. So let's take that out. Alright, so we got this out, and so now we're just gonna paint this, and then we should be mint. I got this side out. I painted earlier. Well, we didn't get it out. Everything's on board. It's stuck on. Pull it sideways. And then we're mint. So the inside is almost all of it is already gay. And then, so I'm gonna clean. Oh, I just rolled my damn hand. So I gotta clean this side, and then.
It's so open now.
Then I know. Look at that. It's crazy.
We're gonna clean this.
So it is the next day, and I am currently cleaning this down with some more spick and span. I'm almost out. So after RFP, I'm gonna go pick up some simple green. Or some like degreaser, like engine degreaser and stuff like that. And then the simple green, I'm gonna use that to get to town on the engine bay and I'll start cleaning the actual engine bay. You can see like a lot of space has been removed because the wheel wells aren't in there, and there's the other one, and I took the battery out for safety measures for when I'm cleaning, and then paint that. Just paint it black. Either clean it up and see if it'll clean up good. We tucked the wiring harness that goes from the switch in there that goes from to this headlight, corner light, and the blinker, and then it also runs to the passenger side. And then we put the air cleaner back on, but I'm gonna take that off because I want to paint it. Because there's like a little bit of surface rust right there, and it'll just look nice. Like a shiny black and gloss black. And then I want to get all new hoses for everything, but that won't be until I get the money to do that stuff. But for now, we're cleaning and painting the fender well. So I got this one cleaned up, so I'm just gonna sand it with some 220 and then acetone, or actually no, not acetone, I'm using alcohol right there. And then I'm gonna hang it somehow off something. Not completely sure yet. I don't really have that much space in here because Big Bertha's in here. Yeah, I'll find it out. So I got it hanging, but like it's like a wire or whatever, and I'm just gonna paint it like that. Overspray is gonna get on here, but that's why I'm gonna throw a sheet on there. I'm not that ignorant. I just gotta find the damn sheet. Yeah, it's not there. Anyone wants to buy this? $200. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I just gotta find that sheet. But yeah, so just gonna paint it like that, and I'll probably report back to you guys when it is painted. So got one coat on this. Basically, there's not that many runs. There's no, that's not a run. Well, actually, I don't even know if there is runs. No, actually there isn't. But I went through one almost full can on that. So that's what. Alright, so that's what it looks like. That's what it used to look like. Big difference. I did end up painting both sides. Boom, right there. And that one's still hanging up. Not gonna lie, gonna be honest with you guys. I filmed all those videos about a week or two ago. Yeah, so I've been like really like not in the mood to like upload because can't use my phone. But as you guys can tell, we got a lot done in this thing. Still a lot more to go. I'm not gonna show you guys too much because that's gonna be in an upcoming video. I'm probably gonna be posting daily because I have 3 videos already lined up for you guys. And yeah, so you guys are just gonna have to wait. So if you guys like this video, please smash that thumbs up, subscribe, share this with your friends. Have a good day.